The most successful people in the world have one thing in common: a great morning routine. Your morning routine sets the tone for the rest of your day. So if you want to be more productive, make more money, and never give up on your dreams, then you need to start with a great morning routine. In this video, we're going to go over exactly how to build a perfect morning routine step by step, so that you can finally become the person you're trying to become. Step no. 1 is to wake up early. Now I know what you're thinking. It's easier said than done. But here's the thing. You don't have to do it all in one day. Start by just waking up 15 minutes earlier than you normally do. Once you've gotten used to that, then wake up 15 minutes earlier than that. And eventually, you will get to the point where you can wake up at least 2 hours earlier than everyone else. The key is to start small and then gradually work your way up. Next, make your bed. This might seem like a small, insignificant task, but trust me, it makes a big difference. When you make your bed in the morning, you've already accomplished something that day. It gives you a sense of pride and satisfaction, which will carry over into the rest of your day. Plus, it's a great way to declutter your mind. A study from the University of California found that those who make their beds in the morning are more likely to be productive throughout the day. So take a few seconds to make your bed and watch what happens. No. 3 is to drink a glass of water. Drinking water first thing in the morning is a great way to rehydrate your body after sleeping. As you sleep, you lose a significant amount of water through breathing, sweating, and, well, just existing. So it's important to rehydrate first thing in the morning. But simply drinking water isn't enough. And you need to drink it on an empty stomach. That's because when you drink water on an empty stomach, it helps to stimulate your digestive system and promote healthy bowel movements. Plus, drinking cold water in the morning has been shown to boost your metabolism by up to 24%. So grab a glass of water and drink it down. Don't forget, no ice or anything in it, just plain old H2O. All right, now it's time to get to work. Step no. 4 is to sit down and work on your most important task for 2 hours. This is the time when you'll be the most productive, so use it wisely. Sit down and work on the most important task that will move you closer to your goals. But wait. Before you go and try to do this, you need to watch this next part. It's really important. When you sit down to work, don't bring any distractions with you. Put your phone on silent, turn off the TV, and don't let anyone interrupt you. You need to be 100% focused on the task at hand. And if you can't focus, then you need to find the why behind why you're doing what you're doing. Why is this important? Why is this task important? Why is your goal important? Really dig deep into the why, and once you have that, you'll be unstoppable. But also remember that sometimes your mind will try to trick you. It will try to make you believe that you're not capable, that it's too hard, or that you're not worthy. But don't listen to it. Keep going until you've completed the task. Lastly, reward yourself. It's time to reward yourself. It's time to reward yourself. Take a break and do something you enjoy. This could be playing a video game, watching a movie, going for a walk, or anything else that makes you happy. You've earned it. So sit back and relax and enjoy yourself. Plus, it'll give you something to look forward to, which will make you even more productive the next time around. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to build a perfect morning routine. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to becoming the most productive, successful version of yourself. Now it's time to take action. Don't wait another minute to start improving your life. Waking up early, making your bed, drinking water, working on your most important task, and rewarding yourself will help you accomplish anything you set your mind to. So get started today and watch what happens.